You know that I love crafts, but I also want to show you some really easy decorating tips. I want to show you a technique that is so cool. You're using a cookie dough that you already have, a sugar cookie dough, but I want to show you how to make a window pane. This could be for any season. Because it's the holidays, I'm using a snowflake. So I've rolled the dough out 1/4 inch thick. That is really important. You really don't want a really thick cookie. So I put this in the center. I press it out. So I'm gonna put this aside. Here's the fun part. I have a really thick plastic bag. I'm gonna put these candies in the bag. I've chosen red because red really shows up. I am not closing the bag. You know why? Because if there's air in here and I hit this, what's gonna happen? It's gonna pop. So, you really wanna get this really small. Okay. You really wanna make some candy dust. Didn't that feel good? Welcome to the holidays. We're gonna pull our cookies back. And now what I'm gonna do is take this fine candy dust and put it in the center and then work out to the edges with a toothpick. Because you really want it to be nice and clean. That's what makes a nice picture. You have to cover the entire cutout with the candy dust. All right, into the oven we go. What? I see you. How amazing are these? Look at this. The candy is so thin. They're so beautiful. Look at that, a nice little color. Look how thin that candy is. We're gonna use some candy canes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. So you're gonna take some candy canes and you're gonna take 2 and put them together like hearts. Now you're gonna put them in the oven. I know. You're gonna put this pan in the oven, 225 degrees for 1 to 3 minutes. Do not walk away. You're not trying to melt them. All you want to do is to make the candy canes soft enough so that they can glue and stick together. These are perfect. So while they're still warm, I'm gonna just carefully push the tips together so that they stick. All right, so now that I have these, I have my chocolate. If your chocolate gets too cold, pop it in the microwave, 5-second intervals. If it is too hot, just let it sit for a second. Chocolate is really forgiving. All you're gonna do is just flood this in the center. You can use any chocolate. You can use the molding chocolate, you can use chocolate chips melted, and then bang the pan down. Now we're gonna put little decorations on them. We have some sprinkles. You can put these out as little treats. You can use these as ornaments on your tree. You can make these into lollipops. The possibilities are endless, and just see how gorgeous they are. I have the white chocolate. I have the dark chocolate. Imagine if you were a child or just an older child like myself, and these were party favors. Totally cute. Happy holidays.